Hi, my name is Rebecca Tyler and I'm from Girdwood, Alaska. I've been skiing these mountains since I was 18 months old. Why I ski? I ski because I love it. That roller coaster feeling, you know? Do you know what I'm talking about? Like your stomach is in your throat. It's the best feeling in the world. These have basically been my backcountry skis since I was 6. A ratty old pair of my dad's skins and cross-country skis. I want to go to Keeley's camp so I can grow my backcountry skills, learn to be a good steward of the backcountry, and pass that knowledge on to other kids. My name is Rebecca Tyler, and I want to be your next backcountry girl on fire.